India's manufacturing sector is booming, but can it truly reach the pinnacle of global dominance? Zoho CEO Sridhar Vembu believes it can, but only if India focuses on a specific set of critical areas. His insights come at a pivotal moment, with India already breaking into the top 5 manufacturing economies worldwide. This achievement begs the question: what separates India from manufacturing giants like Germany and Japan, who achieve remarkable success despite smaller populations and higher labor costs? In a recent post on X, Vembu highlighted the need for India to understand these differences. He pointed out that countries like Japan, Germany, Switzerland, and the Netherlands have become manufacturing powerhouses, not just because of low labor costs, but because of their mastery in specialized fields. So, what are these crucial areas? According to Vembu, it boils down to mastering capital goods, such as advanced and high-precision machinery. This includes expertise in advanced materials, sensors, and intricate industrial processes. He argues that these areas are key to adding significant value and staying competitive on a global scale, even in high-wage environments. And this is the part most people miss. Vembu emphasizes that even China, once known for its low-cost manufacturing, is now investing heavily in these advanced areas, becoming a high-wage nation in the process. But here's where it gets controversial. Vembu's core argument is that India must prioritize these advanced manufacturing fields to boost income levels and solidify its global standing. He firmly believes that India possesses the resources and potential to achieve this. He states, "To be a truly great manufacturing nation and achieve high income for our people, India needs to master all these areas." He believes that long-term manufacturing success is driven by value creation through technology and process mastery, rather than simply relying on low labor costs. What do you think? Do you agree with Vembu's assessment? Is India's future in manufacturing tied to mastering these advanced technologies? Or are there other factors at play? Share your thoughts in the comments below.